Hello and welcome back to NeoEnglish, your daily podcast for learning practical English with real news. Today we're talking about Stock Market July 3rd, 2025. Dow Rises. Strong jobs data lifts markets. Let's get started.
That's right. You'll learn easy English, important vocabulary, and how to talk about big news like this. Today, the focus is on the stock market and jobs data.
So, what does it mean when we say Dow rises? The Dow is short for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. This is an important number that shows how well big companies in America are doing on the stock market.
That's a good explanation. When people say the Dow rises, it means the value of many big companies is going up. For example, the Dow rises after good company earnings, or the Dow falls after bad news. It's like a score for business.
In today's news, the Dow is going up because of strong jobs data. Let's break that down. Strong jobs data means that more people in the country are working or more jobs have been created.
Yes, and when there's strong jobs data, it usually means the economy is healthy. If many people have jobs, people can spend more money. For instance, strong jobs data helps the economy grow, or weak jobs data can worry investors. So, strong means good and weak means bad in this context.
The news says, strong jobs data lifts markets. Here, lifts markets means the stock market goes higher. Lift means to raise or to go up.
That's right. Think of lift like picking up something heavy, but here it's about prices going up. For example, positive earnings lifted the markets, or bad news dragged down the markets.
Let's do a quick recap of the main story. On July 3rd, 2025, the Dow Jones rose. Why? Because there was strong jobs data. When more people get jobs, investors feel confident. So the market goes up.
Now let's talk about some important vocabulary and phrases from today's news. Dow, short for Dow Jones Industrial Average, a number that shows how big American companies are doing. Rises means it goes up. Stock market, a place where people buy and sell parts of companies. Strong jobs data, good numbers showing many people have jobs. Lifts markets, makes the stock market go up.
Let's use these words in sentences. I watch the Dow every morning. My friend invested in the stock market. There was strong jobs data last month.
Let's show how you might use these phrases in a conversation. For example, A. Why did the stock market go up? B. Because strong jobs data lifted the markets. Or, A. Is the Dow rising today? B. Yes, investors are happy with the new jobs report.
Great. Let's tell the story again using different words. Yesterday, there was good news about people finding jobs. Because of this good news, many investors wanted to buy stocks. So the prices of stocks went up and the Dow Jones number also rose.
Exactly. The main idea is, when there is good news about jobs, people feel positive. This makes the stock market stronger, and everyone feels more hopeful about the economy.
Remember, these words are useful in many conversations about the news and business. If you want to talk about the stock market or jobs, now you have the vocabulary.
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe to NeoEnglish so you never miss our daily news and English practice.
Thanks for listening. See you next time for more easy English and current events.
Bye for now, and keep practicing your English every day with us.